Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update error code 0x80070420 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The causes of error code 0x80070420 may vary. This in turn often relate to a non-active or not correctly set Windows Update service. Conflicts from the third-party antivirus software or wrong settings in firewalls can also result in failure of correct installations of updates. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, so, select mo lang dito yung Windows Update at dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, after dito sa settings, and dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung services and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local. And next step dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung background intelligent transfer service. So i-select mo lang yan and kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties at dito lang sa general ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung service status na start. And dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa background intelligence service, and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate yung Windows Update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then hanapin natin dito yung Windows Update and then select mo lang siya, same procedure. So select and double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, so same dito sa general and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito lang sa kanyang running ay click mo lang dito yung stop and then wait natin. And then dito sa kanyang service status ay click mo lang dito yung start. At dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? So after ng Windows Update and then next command keyword, kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung cryptographic. So scroll lang tayo and then hanapin natin dito yung cryptographic service. So same, select and double click. And then dito lang sa general and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? And then after ng cryptographics and then next command keyword na i-locate ay yung Windows Installer Services. So scroll down and then hanapin natin dito yung Windows Installer Services. So same, select and double click. And dito lang sa general and then select mo lang dito yung automatic and then dito sa service status i-click mo lang dito yung start and wait natin. And dito lang sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to perform the SFC and DSEM tool. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, kailangan natin i-paste. So, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So, dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space slash scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80070420 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.